puppy's adopted owners, and they tell me while nothing can undo the damage that's been done, they feel some justice was served. 25-year-old Memphis Lore was present in the Davis County courtroom on Monday. The court first heard from his defense attorney, who argued about the definition of victim in Utah law.
Does not speak to animals as victims.
The judge then asked Lore if there was anything he wanted to say.
I'm just very sorry, and I wish I could go back, but I can't. Very, very sorry.
The prosecution then showed images to the court of how the mother dog was found extremely malnourished, separated from her puppies who were thrown from the moving car. The surviving puppies had injuries, but 2 did not make it. Michelle Hicks from Animal Care of Davis County delivered the victim impact statement on their behalf.
By choosing that highway, the defendant was weaponizing our community. He didn't just try to kill these animals, he tried to force an unsuspecting driver to do it for him. My officers didn't get to rescue these animals. Instead, they had to perform the grim task of recovering their remains from the asphalt.
Prosecution argued Lore felt no remorse, especially during his interview with police.
When they asked him, what were you thinking? Why did you do this? He responded, I thought it would be easier to get rid of them.
The judge said over 100 letters were sent to the court from residents nearby, and after hearing both arguments, made his decision.
I am going to order no good time credit. You will serve 120 days for this, 30 days for each of the counts you pled guilty to.
I met up with the adopted owners of the puppies outside after the sentencing. Carissa Glenn now owns George, the puppy who was found with the most injuries.
I wish he got more jail time, of course. That's always the hope, but I mean, he went into custody immediately today. It was gratifying to see the handcuffs put on him and him walked out of that courtroom. Anything thrown out of a car at 65 miles an hour is going to feel pain. So it doesn't matter if they don't have a voice to say that they suffered, they did.
On top of Lore's jail time, the judge also ordered that once he's released from jail and on probation, he cannot own or live with animals in the home. In Farmington, Carolina Hassett, Fox 13 News, Utah.